Hey guys, it's Lucas, and today I'm going to be playing another GTA 5 episode with Tyler. And we're just basically...
Hey guys, GamerHawk Tyler.
Yeah. And we're just basically going to try and get planes.
Hold on, I'm picking you up.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm really close to you actually.
Oh, really?
This is just an episode where we're just pretty much messing around. We're not doing any parole or anything, guys.
Not yet.
Not yet.
That's when
We're
you're...
just messing around today, guys.
You
This is
mean?
how GTA will be for us for a long time, actually.
Like,
Dude, look what kind of car I bought.
I just saw...
Look at the car though. Hold on, I'm being kept by you. If you blow it up, you have to pay so much money. You better not blow me up. What the? It's an expensive car.
I got a better car. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's way better.
Yeah. Get in this one. This one's better. Get in this one. No, get in this one. This one's better. Oh god.
Yeah, we're gonna get some planes.
Yeah.
Oh, where are we going to get some planes?
The Los Santos
We're going to
airport.
the airport?
No, we're going to the restaurant.
We're going to the restaurant? Oh, cool. Oh, can I get that $7,000 bounty from you?
No. That's nice.
That was my battle cry. Maybe that car is good, dude. Go faster than me.
Nope, not anymore. Oh hey, a bounty of $7,000 has been set on me.
Yeah, can I have it?
If you can catch me.
I like how I just casually passed by you.
Just
Like, dying. You know where I am. Oh, jeez.
I don't even know what to say right now. I just see you just go flying.
I'm going to the Los Santos International. Oh, crap, I am way off track.
Yeah.
Welcome to the jungle. We are...
Ooh, it's just me, myself, and Pie.
Oh, cool. Oh, I got the police. Oh,
Whoop, whoop.
They better get it out of the way of my little infernus.
Just watch them impound it.
You better not impound my infernus.
That'd be funny. I beat you. I'll beat you to the airport. Priuses are better.
I actually almost caught up. You're not even in Prius.
Oh, really?
That is not a Prius that you're in.
Yeah, it is. Well,
What, did you just switch cars?
no, I'm honestly in a blue Prius.
No!
Yep, yep, I am.
Yep, you're gonna beat me.
I'm already here.
Oh. Well, I'm almost there.
Nope, liar.
I just died, that's why. It was my battle cry. That's my excuse for everything. It was my battle cry. When I scream like a baby, I just say that was my battle cry. I was speaking to all my people. I was speaking to all my hogs, my fellow hogs. That's what I'm gonna name all my fellow people. My fellow hogs.
Yeah, hogs.
I call that big plane instead.
Okay.
Please are after me, bro.
They might want to get in the big plane.
Bro, I just passed the popo, and they're not even after me. I literally passed them, and it made the police go out of me. Dude, I found the best glitch ever. No, I'm joking.
Wait, so the police were in you?
First, you shoot. Oh my gosh, you took my big plane!
It's not
That's
yours.
my plane.
It's not yours. I'm not a share. I'll go get it.
Turning around in the sky.
Maybe. Oh no! Oh! Ah!
All I hear you is yelling, and all of a sudden, you die. I heard that explosion.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Well, it was
Why is my stump not here? There are no things.
It's just me and myself and Pie. So I'll eat until I die.
I beat you to the airport. getting in a Luxor.
D-lock.
No!
Yes.
Well, I'm not getting in the Luxor now.
Why?
I drove my Infernus straight into the Luxor.
Okay.
Car blew up, but the Luxor did.
Oh my god, dude. There is a blue Prius. Oh my god. What the heck? So where I died, there is literally a blue Prius. I don't know. It was locked and the window was fixed, so no. It is now. Oh my god.
I found a red Prius. This one's actually a Prius.
You're a Prius. Nerd.
Oh, I'm not a gay. Are you sure?
Okay. Aren't you sure?
Priuses go fast in this game, but it takes really long.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I found another Luxor. I'm just gonna get in there. Put my stuff in it. What I found?
Holy crap, I'm a good driver.
Oh, no, the police are there, though. Shoot.
Bang.
Oh, I caught myself there, Lucas. You heard me.
What?
I was like, shoot. Shoot. Shoot.
Shrout.
What did you say?
Shrout.
Oh, they just told me to put it in park. Should I listen? Okay, I'm putting it in park. Okay, I put it in park. I'm listening to you guys. Now I'm just gonna get in there. Can I put this thing in park? No, but I can fly it away. You're not gonna shoot me!
And
Oh my
he's
gosh,
dead.
I'm gonna get away. Oh no! Oh, they shot my engine.
Get him.
You see me?
Uh,
Do a barrel roll. I was literally, my wheels were touching the ground. That's how I did my barrel roll.
I just
Do a
did
barrel
barrel.
roll. Do a barrel roll. Lift up because you're about to hit a building.
Nope. It's like you put it in park.
I'm gonna put this plane in park. Right in the sky. I just put the plane in park. Now what? Oh crap. My engine's not starting back up. No! 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 No!
That was your battle cry. That was my battle cry.
Oh my gosh, bro. Back, bro.
Patricia!
Tear her out! Skinny girl up too. She's a fool.
Whoa, Tyler. Very strong language there. Ooh, it's just me, myself, and pie. So I'll eat until I die. Got me.
What happened?
That scared the crap out of me.
They're never gonna catch me in my Prius. There's Priuses
Dude.
everywhere right now. Why? Why is my Priuses? I mean,
Your Priuses?
I said period. Oh crap, now I have a bounty on me too. I'll kill you for your bounty, then you can kill me for my bounty. Oh, $5,000. Whoa, ho, ho.
Never mind.
Okay, yours is 7,000. Okay, okay. Good enough. I'll kill you, and you can kill me. We can do it at the same time. We should try. My Prius is great and humble.
My red car is great. But
Humbug.
Tyler.
That's my Prius.
No, I don't like your Prius.
Oh my gosh! I didn't mean to do that, cop. I'm sorry, I just hit you straight in the face. He was in the middle of the road. How am I not supposed to hit him? It was his fault he got hit. And he wasn't following the
Yeah.
The boss.
Cops.
He was jaywalking. Never jaywalk when someone's speeding on the road.
Oh, hey, look, this guy's jaywalking.
Oh, no, now I'm stuck between a fence. Oh. There is no cars here. I mean, planes here because that's
Oh,
I
I've
saw
got
some
some.
cars at an airport. Oh. I think we're all out of planes.
I'm in a plane.
You're in a plane.
Oh, really?
Awesome stunt plane.
That's not a stunt
Oh my
plane.
gosh, you are.
Yeah.
I just found a stunt plane.
That's not a stunt plane,
Why
Tyler.
is there a bunch of planes here? There's not even any stunt planes here. This is a Bellum, but did I say that? I don't know. The police are never gonna catch me.
I like your plane. Look at that face. You look like my next disgrace. Sorry. Because, baby, I'm a nightmare just like a mom.
We're leaving this world, Lucas. We're leaving.
Yep. Sure. I'm yelling timber. You better die. Okay.
Oh, I don't know where I am.
Open up your parachute.
Why? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go in a loop and you go right through me, okay?
I'm not gonna go through you, Tyler.
You ready? I'm going in a loop. You better go through me.
Okay. Ah! Yeah! There.
Oh! I'm gonna make it through this little thing down here.
Whoa. No, you're
I'm
not.
gonna make it, trust me.
Nope.
I'm gonna go try anyway. Oh!
Oh. Uh-oh. I lost a part of my plane. I lost a part of my plane. I honestly did. I lost the wing.
Who are you, Merryweather? Merryweather just called me.
Uh-huh.
I have an history with this guy. I'm joking.
Backing down. I have to go land. Emergency landing. I honestly lost part of my plane, and now it's making it really hard to fly.
Okay, I'm coming back for you.
I have to emergency landing.
So guys,
Oh god, we're going down. We're going down.
I'm
We're
talking
going
to your
down.
viewers, Lucas.
Yeah.
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 So guys, how do you like me?
They don't.
Bro, I was swooping down at the
that's
beach,
nice.
and I literally took, I dive bombed and took someone out with my propeller and lifted up in time. Too bad I didn't get that cut on YouTube.
Uh-oh.
I'm
Ah!
gonna come for you. Oh, you're too far. You did it your own plane.
Back wheel's off the ground. Front wheel off the ground.
I got to pause real quick.
The ice cream truck is outside!
Woo!
I'm not being dead serious. Dude. Do you see this? Oh my god. Dude. Okay guys, I have to go right now because I just like completely ruined my setup. Here's my... I lost my controller. Holy crap. That was not good. Okay. Crap. Okay, guys, this is where I'm going to go. Tyler, you have... So, yeah. Yeah. I'm going to go now, and I'll see you in the next episode.